How do I install this weird looking i9-9900KF I bought? I bought an Intel i9-9900KF, or specifically from the Amazon item title. Intel BX80684 i9-9900KF Intel Core i9-9900KF Desktop Processor 8 cores up to 5.0 GHz Turbo unlocked without processor graphics Loga 1151 300 series 95 watts. I thought, oh, no graphics, but I'm getting a coup and this version is a little cheaper, so it's good. But what arrived does not look like the processor I'm used to seeing at all, and it didn't even arrive in an Intel box. I haven't received my motherboard yet to try it, but will I be able to mount this without buying some other class or something? This card looks sketchy.
You've been scammed, plain and simple. What you have here appears to be a ball grid array for soldering laptop CPU. It could be AI3 5005U, which is offered here on eBay. It could also be a non-functional mock-up. Either way, return it if you can.
There is a page on Amazon for an Intel BX80684i99900KF Intel Core i9-9900KF desktop processor 8 cores up to 5.0 GHz turbo unlocked without processor graphics Loga 1151 300 series 95 watts. There are 15 customer reviews on the same page stating that the Intel Core i9-9900K processor that arrived from Amazon is a green PCB wafer that looks in the reviewer's photos like the PCB in the question. The first fake Intel Core i9-9900K processor customer review was posted almost 2 months ago on October 11, 2019. But the scam still continues fueled by a BX80684i99900KF Intel Core i9-9900K nil.save $40 meme that was posted on the This URL meme website. The item you received from Amazon doesn't look like an Intel Core i9-9900K.
At the very least, that is not a desktop CPU. How this came to be is anyone's guess. Along the lines of how, I have an important question to add. How was the outside of the ship packing marked? It looks to me like the name of the item was right on the box. What shipping service did you/they use? Basically, if I was a shady perp who's the least bit computer literate, and I was working for a shipping company, and I saw $500 plus processors moving through the lines, I'd be tempted to set up a system where I swap it out for a cheaper unit before it got to the destination. Most people working in menial package delivery services get paid dirt. Just a thought. No matter how it happened, bottom line, Amazon owes you your money back.
If you wanted a quick job, please consider subscribing.